Hi, my name is Ted with Legacy Brand Leather. Today I'm going to be crafting a Midori Style Traveler Notebook cover. My brother asked me to make one for my sister-in-law, and he had shown me a couple online, and I didn't realize how expensive they can be considering the relatively simple design. This will be a quick video today because, well, there's really not that much to it. All you need is a cut piece of leather 8.5 inches by 10.5 inches and some elastic. Beyond that, you just need something to punch the holes for the elastic, and that's it. Let's go! Thank you so much for watching this video. Seriously, this took less than half an hour. I hope you try to make your own traveler notebook cover. The elastic cord I picked up from JoAnn's. It's about $8, but you can use the rest of it for other projects. The leather was, well, it's Horween Dublin leather, so it's not that inexpensive, but you can find some scrap leather or some sides of leather that are well under that price at a Tandy Leather factory if there's one near you. Or you can go online and find a smaller distributor who might sell you a panel of one of those higher end leathers from a nicer tannery. Anyways, you can recreate your own Midori Traveler Notebook cover for less than half the price I found of those online. Thanks again for watching. Please be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next week.